First up, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now declared that UP government will soon bring a law against cases collectively known as love jihad cases. He says that this will be called Operation Satya, a step that will go a long way in protecting women's dignity. He made this statement while addressing a rally in Jaunpur, but importantly, this also comes on the back of Allahabad High Court observing that religious conversion only for the purpose of marriage is not acceptable. Listen in.
एक प्रभावी कानून बनाएंगे। छद्मवेश में चोरी छुपे, नाम छुपा करके, स्वरूप छुपा करके जो लोग बहन बेटियों की इज्जत के साथ खिलवाड़ करते हैं, उनको पहले से मेरी चेतावनी, अगर वे सुधरे नहीं तो राम नाम सत्य है की यात्रा अब निकलने वाली है। भाइयों बहनों, हम लोग मिशन शक्ति के कार्यक्रम को इसीलिए चला रहे हैं। मिशन शक्ति के कार्यक्रम का मतलब ये है कि हम हर बेटी को, हर बहन को सुरक्षा की गारंटी देंगे, लेकिन उस सब के बावजूद अगर किसी ने दुस्साहस किया तो ऑपरेशन शक्ति अब तैयार है। और ऑपरेशन शक्ति का उद्देश्य ही है कि हम लोग हर हाल में उनकी सुरक्षा करेंगे, बहन और बेटियों की सुरक्षा और उनके सम्मान की रक्षा करेंगे। और इसी दिशा ऑपरेशन शक्ति के इस कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाने के साथ जो हम चल रहे हैं, न्यायालय के आदेश का भी पालन होगा और बहन बेटियों का भी सम्मान होगा।
Let's also go across to political editor Aishwarya Kapoor. So Aishwarya, after Himanta Biswa Sarma in Assam, Yogi Adityanath in Uttar Pradesh becomes another big leader to talk openly about a law to stop cases known as love jihad cases.
He's one of the most popular BJP leaders after Prime Minister and then Home Minister Amit Shah. And as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, if he makes such a statement, it has its own impact. And as we just said that Operation Satya to protect women's dignity, Yogi is basically trying to send out a message also because a lot of attack was being made on him and his governance, especially regarding women's safety, especially regarding what happened in and around the western part of his state, and keeping in mind that he also wants to send a message out that he will have zero tolerance and he will not allow these kind of incidents to take place. We are being told that there are going to be several other follow-up actions which are going to be taken by the UP government in this regard, and hence we've been saying that when the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath says this during election rallies in the state of Bihar, he is going to back it up with action. And it's not only that, we are also being told that a special SIT in support of certain central agencies are also going to be formed. So there is going to be some special permission which the state of Uttar Pradesh is going to seek in this regard. So he means action, and that is what he's also indicating upon.
Yes, very importantly, Aishwarya, this is coming on the back of the Allahabad High Court observations that conversion just for the purpose of marriage is unacceptable. In fact, they dismissed a petition filed by a couple seeking direction to others to not interfere in their married life. But the court has observed that conversion just for the purpose of marriage will not be acceptable. Of course, there's a larger debate going on, especially after what has happened in Faridabad against Nikita Tomar, where she was shot dead in broad daylight just because she had been refusing advances of marriage and of pressure to convert for the marriage. So this has become obviously a big issue in several states. Remember, states like Assam, Kerala and Uttar Pradesh have always been the one, Aishwarya, where so-called love jihad cases have been raked up. And this debate is, quickly becoming a national debate.
Love jihad is something which Yogi Adityanath, even as a member of parliament prior to him becoming the chief minister, has been raising. And that was when you had a UPA 2 government in place. So even then, when he was basically picked up on this point, he was literally trolled on this point when he raised the issue of love jihad. Now when he is the chief minister of the largest state of the country, he has made it a point ever since he became the chief minister, but then action needs to meet his words. Whatever he says, action needs to be taken in this regard. As far as his and BJP's intent in this regard is concerned, that has been there. But now that intent needs to be backed by action. And that is what is also being awaited in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
Definitely. They've made statements against so-called cases of love jihad in the past. But now two states ruled by BJP have made a very clear declaration of intent that they want to do something legally about such cases.